Hi, I'm Councilman Michael Nowakowski, and welcome to Phoenix 2020, a clearer vision for the future of Phoenix. And right here at the Star-Spangled Celebration, right here on 35th Avenue and Baseline in Laveen, Arizona, where it's a 4th annual celebration where we honor the fallen police officers and firefighters that have given the ultimate sacrifice, their lives for us. It's a way to remember these individuals and their legacies and to thank their families for everything they've given to us as a city of Phoenix. And this is all possible because of our great sponsors. And we have with us Nestle Water, that you donated pallets and pallets of water. And I just really want to thank you for being such a great community partner. And why is it so important for Nestle Water to be out here?
Thank you. It's a great event for the city of Phoenix and organized by the councilman. We think this tribute is great. The cause is very good. And you've done a good job putting the show with your staff. So we're happy to be on our 2nd year of sponsoring the event, and we'll give water away tonight to make sure everybody stay hydrated.
Well, matter of fact, you have a plant out here, right?
We have a plant now. We're ready to start up pretty soon. We're moving here, and we're going to be in operation pretty soon.
And see, those are the good partnerships that we have in the city of Phoenix with corporations that come out here and they give back to the community. So let's go find out some more people out here. Come on, follow. We're here with Isaac Cerna. Isaac, tell us how this all came about, this car show. I mean, we have a car show in the middle of this celebration.
Well, how it came about was when I was in the Navy for many years in San Diego.
Right.
I would go to a yearly event at a park in San Diego, and they have over 400 cars. It's a great event. It's about pride and things like that. So when I approached you,
right,
I was thinking about the city employees, because they're public servants and how hard they work and how dedicated they are and what they give. And then to top it off, these beautiful cars that they have, this is a lot of pride in these vehicles that they show.
So from Chicano Park in San Diego all the way to Cesar Chavez Park right here in Laveen, Arizona, we have ourselves a mini car show.
Great.
So I want to thank you, Isaac, for bringing all of our employees together, and thanks to all the employees for showing off their beautiful vehicles. It's all about working together as a team.
Very true.
All right,
Very true.
come on, let's go check out somebody else.
Okay.
All right, we're here with Esther from the Parks and Rec, and it's the Team Phoenix approach where we bring all the different departments together to make this celebration a great celebration. So Esther, tell us about this new mobile units that the parks have.
So it's our mobile recreation program, and we absolutely love it. So as you can see, we have 4 vehicles that go around the city, and we try to go to areas that do not have a community center, do not have resources in those areas. So we bring recreation to the community.
Wow, the kids are having fun. That's like a human, what is that?
It's like a 4 square, 8 square. And so we bring things out for special events. They get to do STEM, music, arts, and culture. They get to do sports.
Checkerboard.
Large games. So you name it.
Oh, I remember that when I was a kid.
They're definitely doing it. So what's nice about the Jenga is that we're trying to, with our curriculum, also teach math at the same time that they're playing a game.
All right.
So it incorporates both for the kids.
Providing great services to our people, so thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
We're right here with the firefighters, and we have Rita. And Rita, tell us why this event's so important for firefighters.
So it's an opportunity for us to get out into the community, let kids come on the fire trucks, network with firefighters, kind of figure out what we do. There's a really good side to our job, and that's what this is. It's being in the community and this interaction.
You know, Rita, one of the things that really touched my heart is hearing those testimonies from family members that have lost their loved ones. And, you know, we created that hero lane so that people could remember the legacy of the firefighters and police officers that have given the ultimate sacrifice. You know, it's something special, especially a person like yourself that wakes up every morning, puts on that uniform, and we really don't think about how family members feel.
They come together and support what we do, you know, police and fire. And so this event, you saw them get to be right in the mix, light candles. They get that opportunity to interact, learn what we do, see what we do, put some hands on it. What a great community event at a beautiful park.
Well, thank you to all the firefighters and all those family members that support you all, that put on that uniform to save lives.
Thank you.
We're here with Officer Rodriguez that we had the pleasure of having you do the closing prayer last time, and what a special prayer that you did, and you just felt the passion of the people that were out here.
Yes.
So tell us about the Star-Spangled Celebration, and why was it so special last year for you?
You know, Star-Spangled Celebration is just very important to any first responder and veterans, you know, to honor our fallen brothers and sisters, for the police department, the fire department. And we appreciate what you do, Mike, for for our community for one, and to honor the fallen, and it really is special to our heart. We really appreciate everything that you do.
Tell us a little bit about this vehicle behind you.
Yeah, absolutely. This is an original police cruiser. It's a 1950 Ford. It's got the original V8 motor in it. The black and white, and we got our Phoenix decal on there.
Wow. I just want to thank you all for everything you do. And, Levine is represented by 2 council members, and the other person is Council Member Kate Gallego. Kate, thank you for everything you've done. And, we have a dog park because of Kate. So, Kate, thank you. And anything else you want to say about the Star-Spangled Celebration?
This is just such a special event. Thank you to your office for putting it together. It's, I think, gotten more meaningful every year, especially once we lost Officer Glasser. This was the opportunity for the community to really celebrate his legacy and heal. So I think every year the event gets more meaningful. Thank you for having it.
And I think you have a police officer in the future. Your son's driving
My
the car
son is
already.
Future Officer Michael Gallego.
And that's it for this segment of Phoenix 2020, a clear vision for the future of Phoenix. And thank you to all those men and women that put on that uniform to protect and serve our community. And the celebration is all for you all. Thank you.
City of Phoenix Fallen Heroes. Officer Hayes Birch, end of watch, 1925. Captain J.D. Jack Sullivan, last alarm, 1929. Firefighter Ambrose W. Shea, last alarm, 1929. Officer Walter H. Stewart, end of watch, 1929.